Making big news is Google investing $550 million into Chinese commerce firm JD.com. Our Eunice Yoon has more on what that means for Google's presence in China. Hi again, Eunice.
Hey, Carl. Well, Google is placing a big bet on JD.com, and the reason is what's going on behind me. I'm at a sorting facility here in Beijing, and the company is using automation as well as high technology to sort through 600,000 packages every single day. Now, this is an especially busy time for JD because it's a major shopping festival. JD last year generated $17.6 billion in sales during this period. And in about an hour's time or so, we'll find out if JD broke its record once again. Now, for the partnership with Google, it could be potentially interesting for both of these companies. And for Google, especially, it's been largely shut out of this market. So the partnership could allow Google to gain access to China, and comes at a time when Google is trying to build up its own shopping service back home to rival Amazon. Now, for JD, this is going to be potentially interesting because JD focuses primarily on the China market, but is looking to expand overseas. So this is coming at a time when trade tensions are very high. And I was speaking with the founder of JD, who told me that because of those trade tensions, he hasn't been interested in going alone into the U.S. market. This is what he told me earlier.
I think at least it will impact our confidence. Because in the past, we want to invest a lot, and we want to invest a lot of projects and companies in the US. But today, we want to wait for a while. Last year, we planned to go to US market from this year, but now we have to wait.
Now, under this partnership, JD would be able to sell to Americans through Google. Now, as for the tariffs, I talked about that with the founder, and he said that he doesn't think that U.S. tariffs are going to be bad for his business, though he does believe it's going to be bad for American brands in China. But overall, I think what we're seeing here is that despite the political tensions, at least the business community wants to see cooperation and sees a future between the U.S. and China.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.